Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a situation every driver dreads, getting a flat tire while driving. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps you should take to stay safe and get back on the road quickly. Let's dive in. First things first, stay calm. If you hear a loud thumping noise or feel your car pulling to one side, it could be a flat tire. Keep a firm grip on the steering wheel and avoid any sudden movements. Gradually slow down by taking your foot off the accelerator. Don't slam on the brakes. This could cause you to lose control. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers that you have an issue. Find a safe spot to pull over. Ideally, this should be a flat area away from traffic, like a wide shoulder or a parking lot. If you're on the highway, try to get as far off the road as possible once you've stopped. Set up safety cones or flares if you have them. This increases your visibility and ensures other drivers are aware of your presence. Now it's time to change the tire. Grab your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench from your trunk. Before you start, make sure your car is on a level surface and engage the parking brake to prevent it from rolling. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the tire is still on the ground. This will make it easier to remove them once the car is lifted. Next, place the jack under the car's designated jacking point and raise the car until the flat tire is off the ground. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts and carefully remove the flat tire. Mount the spare tire onto the wheel studs and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the car back to the ground and then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Once your spare tire is secure, put the flat tire and your tools back in the trunk. Remember, spare tires are usually temporary, so drive to a tire shop as soon as possible to get a proper replacement. And that's it. You've successfully changed your flat tire. Remember to regularly check your spare tire's condition and keep your tools in good shape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care tips. Safe driving, everyone.